So, hello everybody. Today I would like to present to you the Quizlet study set I have created. I shall share the Chrome tab. I've prepared it on live online virtual engagement platform. So, the title of my study set is Basics of Microbiology. Here I've uploaded 10 terms in the form of flashcards. Now I've given the names of organisms and what is the meaning. So we can go through them. Bacillus is a rod-shaped cell. Whereas coccus is a spherical cell. Spirillum is a spiral cell, and so on. Now there are various options in which the children can learn. So these same study sets can be used for testing what the students have learned using the flashcards. So if we give the meaning of the term spore-bearing spherical cells, they should be able to write down Sporosarcina, which is an example. And then once they answer it, they'll come to know whether it's correct or not. So, as the next option, they can write the answer or type the term spore-bearing spherical cells. We've come to the same one. Sporosarcina. The organism that produces gas via fermentation of sugars. K. aerogenous. So here I have given them explanation for the names of cells, how these different species are named. These names have certain meanings. Now they can check the spellings. So let's see.
Chromobacterium valiseum.
So they need to type out Chromobacterium valiseum.
Sporosarcina.
Sporosarcina, and in this way they would be practicing the spellings by writing them out. If they take the test, so they need to write down the terms that have the meanings that are provided, which produces a pink colored pigment. It's Micrococcus roseus, and so on. You have different types of questions. So you can have some which will directly give them the meaning and they have to give the terms with those meanings. You can have match the following. So you can have streptococcus where you have to write chain of spherical cells, or you can have multiple choice questions, spiral cell being spirillum. You can have true or false questions. Produces gas via fermentation of sugars, Klebsiella aerogenous, the answer is true. And for the second one, the answer is false. Now, this was a little bit of a serious way of studying. If they play while studying, they really get engaged. So now we need to match pairs the terms with the meanings. For example, streptococcus is a chain of spherical cells. So the students will get very interested in this, I'm sure. You can have the gravity game. So the options are whether they're going to study only a few of them or all of them. We'll choose all. Select easy, level for difficulty, and we should answer with the term because it takes time to type out the main one. So to watch out for red asteroids, spiral cells, perillum, and so on. Now for the live version of the game, we require teams and we require many participants. So, but as you can see, the students would really get engaged by playing games. So Quizlet is really a very good facilitator of learning. Thank you. Now that I'm done with my presentation, I can stop the presentation. Thank you so much.